Hiatus Camper. The Hiatus Camper, conceived by designers Erin and Tyler, is a compact and weatherproof camper designed for easy use. The patented folding wall system, powered by gas springs, allows the camper to be opened in less than 15 seconds without assistance. When folded, the camper blends seamlessly with the car roof, maintaining a convenient travel experience. Inside, a full-size retractable sleeping area with soft cushions and a side door for quick access to belongings enhance functionality. The camper can be equipped with a cooking gas system and folding storage systems for added convenience.